Hushan has over 30 production lines. In order to increase efficiency and improve yield and production, we have introduced automated equipment, the 6-axis robotic arms. Our production machines can generate nearly 100 products per hour. Moreover, after optimizing the manufacturing process, we have significantly increased the product yield to an impressive 99.8%. Data collection and optimization in our production have reduced resource wastage and environmental impact, aligning with Hushan's commitment to environmental conservation, energy efficiency, and emission reduction. In the future, Hushan will continue to introduce more automated equipment on the production line, making our products even more stable and reliable, ultimately increasing customer satisfaction.